So in the last video, we created this mockup for the web page design, and in today's video, we will be creating a 3D mockup for it. By the way, you can download the project file or template from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now without any further ado, let's jump to the Photoshop and get started. Okay, so first of all, create new document. Let's go with 1080 by 1080 and then click on create. For the background, let's create a gradient adjustment layer. Click here and select this black and white gradient. Change its style to radial and increase its scale to about 300. Check the reverse option and dither, and then hit OK. Delete the background layer because we don't need it. Convert this layer into a smart object and rename it background. Now press Ctrl Shift C to open canvas size dialog box and change its width to 1920 and then hit OK. Now press Ctrl T to open transform tool and squash it just like this and then confirm it. Now create a solid color adjustment layer on top of it and pick any color that you like. Hit OK and change its blend mode to color. Let's rename it BG color for background color. Now drag and drop your design into the Photoshop and confirm it. Let's convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and scale it down. Also right click on it and choose distort and distort it just like so. Confirm it when you are happy. For the shadow, let's create new layer and rename it shadow. Pick the brush tool, make sure your foreground color is black and select this soft tone brush. Dab once on the canvas, select the move tool and press Ctrl T to open transform tool and then squash it just like this. Press enter to confirm it and drop down its opacity to 50%. Let's drag this layer down. Select the top layer and create a gradient adjustment layer for the reflection. Select this black and white gradient, click here to edit it. Select this point and change its location to 50. Now select this one, change its location also to 50. Now create another point and change its color to black and then hit OK. Hit OK again, change its angle to 60 and check the dither option to remove some of the bandages. Let's rename it reflection. Change its blend mode to linear Dutch 8. Now as you can see, it is affecting everything. So to fix it, right click on it and choose create clipping mask. And then change its fill to about 10%. Double click on it and now as you can see, we can move it and we can also change its direction. Hit OK. And there we have. You can also change the image. Just double click on this layer, it will open a new document. And here you can replace your image. Just drag and drop it into the Photoshop, confirm it, close the document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. You can also change its color. Double click on this layer and here you can choose any color that you like. Drop down its opacity because it is too saturated. And there we have. If you have any question, suggestion or request, write down everything in the comment section below. I will be back soon with another video. Until then, check other content on my channel. And if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video.